Yes. Now there is a lot of confusion in this case. You already know. We will be discussing this error now. Now in this case, one scale division of the vernier caliper, one main scale division of the vernier caliper is 1 mm. Number of division on the vernier scale is 10. So this is 9-10 concept. Okay. So we can find 10. This is the same concept like the normal questions we see. 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. Got it? So in this case, okay, when we find the least count, it becomes what? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So it will be 1 MSD minus 9 by 10 MSD. So it will become 1 minus 0.9 MSD. What is the main scale division? 1 mm. So this will be 0.1 into 1 mm. So this will be what? How I can write it? I will be writing 0.1 mm. There, first of all, there is a least count of this particular scale. Now they are saying when both the jaws touch each other, when it is in a close condition, the vernier scale shift to the left of the zero of the main scale in such a way that fourth vernier division coincides with the division of the main scale. Now try to understand how it looks like. In this case, main scale, let's consider starting from here 0 and then 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm, 5 mm, 6 mm, 7 mm, 8 mm, 9 mm, 1 centimeter. All these divisions are 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm, 1 mm. Now they are saying vernier shifts to the, now when there is no gap between the jaws, you are not keeping anything between the jaws, vernier is here, understood? And fourth vernier division coincides with the division of the main scale. So fourth division will be coinciding, let's consider somewhere here, fourth division will be coinciding somewhere here. Got it? So how you solve the question in this case? Now they are saying 1 centimeter. Now 1 centimeter is the calculation. Main scale division, when you keep an object between the two jaws, okay, then you are moving it like this. Okay, you check what? First main scale division plus 4 into coinciding division. That answer directly given to you. How much? 1 centimeter minus error. Now we are going to discuss negative error. How much will be that error? Okay. Now fourth vernier division coinciding with the division of the main scale. So how you solve in this case? Now in this case, it is on this side. Okay. So it will become how much here? It will be 10 minus 4 into least count. Got it? So it will be 1 centimeter. Now you will be taking negative here because you will be adding this value here. Okay. This is negative error. So this will get added. Okay. So 1 centimeter plus this will be 6 into LC. Least count is 0.1. So this will be 0.6 mm. So if I write it in centimeter, 1.06 centimeter, because 0.6 mm will be 0.06 centimeter. Okay. So 1.06 centimeter, no answer is there. Okay. So I hope you will be getting the grace marks. But by common sense, in this case, answer is going to be greater than 1 centimeter. Now this is equal to 1 centimeter. This is less than 1 centimeter. This is also less than 1 centimeter. So if you have marked this, I consider that you are in a safer zone. But that is also not the correct answer. Okay. The correct answer is 1.06 centimeter. Okay.